What if your car could text the repair shop before breaking down? Sounds like sci-fi? Welcome to the AI revolution in auto repair. Imagine AI scanning your vehicle's data in real time, predicting issues before they even happen. No more surprise breakdowns on the highway. AI analyzes past repairs, driving habits, and even weather conditions. It tells mechanics what parts you'll need next week, or when your brakes might fail. Customers feel like their car's personal assistant is watching out for them. This isn't just about fixing cars, it's about building trust and loyalty. Repair shops who use AI don't just react, they anticipate. That means faster service, happier customers, and less downtime. Picture this. Your car rolls in for a routine check, and the shop already has the right parts ready. Mind-blowing, right? If AI can predict your next car trouble, what else can it predict in your life? Are we ready for a world where machines know us better than we know ourselves? Drop your thoughts below and hit subscribe if you want to see how AI is changing your ride forever.